Faith is a choice. You choose to believe, and you choose to sacrifice. I chose Julian. I built his altar with my own hands. I sang his praises until my throat was raw. I gave him my youth, and I gave him my soul. But a foundation is just a grave you haven't filled yet, and I'm tired of being buried alive. I'm running back to the start. If I can't be the mother of this church, I'll be its ghost. I see the strings you tried to hide, Julian. I see her in the pews. You traded a partner for a monument, but monuments crumble. The spirit is moving now, and it's finally old enough to kill. I am the anointed! I am the foundation! Every punch, every note, every breath, it all ends on Christmas Eve.